Have a look at this. It is so rusty. Unbelievable. But still, this is a very interesting unit. This was one of the best oscilloscopes available at this time. In 1912. No, just kidding. Wow. This is so large. The whole damn thing is so large. And yes, a little bit of rust. Unbelievable. Man. It weighs a ton, really. The rear side of the unit. Wow. Too bad I can't have a look inside this unit. I'm not allowed to open it. Authorities said I'm not allowed. I really need a cameraman. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so heavy. Some tubes. Shielded can for the CRT. This is maybe high voltage supply. Okay, wait a minute. Look at that. The whole damn thing is plugged in. With these interconnections. Fantastic. No, these are not the best connectors anymore. But they did a good job back then. Now, this is a little transformer. Have a look at that. A little transformer. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. Look at this quality. Unbelievable. There we go. This is a part of the power supply. Actually, don't know what this is. This is some sort of delay line. Active one. Oh my god. Yeah. Some rectifiers. These belong to the power supply. And they're really large. Oh my goodness. Some more. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh, this is a delay line. Wow. Okay, wait a minute. Guys. Have a look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. This is just a power supply. E80L, EL86. Oh, come on. Oh, this one is faulty. Telefunken E88CC Ulm. Oh, and it is faulty. Diamond button with a diamond bottom. Have a look at that. Oh my god. Dun 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 dun. Volvo Red Label E88CC. Oh my god. Telefunken ECC 801S. This is the best available ECC 81 1287. Oh my goodness. Have you ever seen something like this? Guess not. Oh my god. Oh, let's have a look at the bottom. This is all wired by hand using ceramic soldering stripes. Some very old diodes. Autofocus, come on, you can do it, yeah! Some old aero capacitors. They are usually faulty after this long time. These are excellent high frequency connectors. They can be polished. ohmite resistors, ohmite, relay, some sort of bias, beautiful cabling, more rectifiers, relays, oh yes, this is a typical high voltage power supply of these days. These are diodes, high voltage capacitors, some resistors with very high resistance, and this, I believe, is shielding material. Probably, no, I thought it's mu metal, but clearly this is brass. I would say this is brass. Yes, this is brass with some coating. Watch me in the next 20 episodes when I'm restoring this unit. It will be rebuilt, reassembled. No, I'm just kidding. This unit is gone, really. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm always very happy if you leave a like, if you post a comment, and I hope to see you soon. Bye. Oh my god. Oh, this is rotten. This knob is rotten. Let's see. Come on. At least it makes a lot of noise. What is this all rotten? No. I thought here's a screen, but this is just a neon bulb. No. No. No luck. No luck. Nothing. I'm sorry. Nothing. So I missed this one too. Maybe the scope would have been working. Yellow one. Awesome. This one. This one is awful. Look at this. It says Telefunken, but it's clearly not Telefunken. There's no diamond bottom. And the gray code says, I believe this is Philips Helene. It has heavy signs of use. I don't need this one. I will not offer these for sale, of course. They are for the bin, or I don't know, but these are not for sale. You won't like them, I'm pretty sure. This one also says Telefunken, but it has no Ulm code, no Berlin code. There's no diamond bottom. This seems to be Siemens with the number here. Number 10. And still, this is a Telefunken code, and it tells us something about the date. I will clean this one up. Maybe it has good test results and it can be sold. Let's see. Of course, I always sell them as used, recycled, not new, not NOS. Carefully. Look at this. Wow. Here we have a little bit of corrosion. That's bad. Maybe I can't offer them. Let's see. Oh, they're beautiful. Beautiful. This one is from Philips Helene too. There was only one genuine Telefunken E88CC. This is the only one in the complete lot with the code, diamond bottom, and yes, that's the only reason why this one is not looking so used and faulty. That's high quality, and that's the reason why these tubes are so expensive. Well, it doesn't say anything about the measurements. I have to test the tube, but at least it is looking good.
Scheitmeier! Das ist ja am Waffen, Alter, das ist ja... Das ist wieder eine Rückenmassage!